In this video, I will show you how to manage customer profiles in Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is go to customers on the left side, and then you will see the customers that you have. So if you want to add a customers here, just click on add customer, then type the information about the customer here. So fill out this about the customer informations like address, first name, last name, like that, tax details, like that. You can also add a notes here or tags. Then you can go back. So if you want to import, just click on import. So make sure that the file is CSV if you want to add file. So just click on download a sample CSV. Follow the instruction and then you can export also here. Just click on export. So for this example, I will click on the customer profile here. So we have the two types. The one is subscribe and not subscribe. So we will go to this subscribe. Just click on it. And then you will see the information of the customer here. So the amount spent is 0. So we will add the orders here to see the examples. Just click on create order. And then after that, we will see this. And then, for example, the amount spent is 200. So here you will see the information of the customer, like the orders, customer scenes, and RFM group. You will see the email, the contact information, the default address, the marketing. So it is subscribe, the tax details, like that. You will see the amount spent, orders, and then in more action, you can issue store credit, merge customer, you can request customer data, you can erase personal data, you can delete the customer. Then you will see the updates here below, like order confirmation email for order, like that. And then you will see the informations about the customer here. Once you have done, so we can go back. Then let's see this not subscribe. So it is also the same. Like it has a label in marketing that it is not subscribe or subscribe. You will see it here. So the amount spent is 0. Like that, the orders is 0. You can click on create order if the customer has an order. Like it is similar to manual orders. And then click on segments. You will see the segments here. So you can create a segments here if you want. So just click on it. And then after that, we will see the describer segment. Click on drop down and then click on template. If you want to choose a template like that, and here you can edit the codes. Then just click on new segments. And then after that, for example, this you will see the percentage of customers and then the last activity. So we will click this, like email subscribers, and then you will see the email subscribers of the customers here, like the customers that subscribe the email. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.